right, let's look at question 12. Question 12 says this has to do with fractions. Simplify 2 1/3 plus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 12 minus 11 whole number 3 over 4. The first thing, change these mixed numbers to improper fraction. So this becomes 3 times 2, 6 plus 1. That's 7 over 3 plus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 12 minus 11 times 4, 44 plus 3, 47. So 47 over 4. Now let's clear these fractions that we have here. Something is common. This is 3, this is 12, this is 4. We can take the LCM. The LCM of 3, 4, and 2 is 12. So multiply each of the terms, the numerator by 12, the denominator by 12. So when we multiply by 12, so this becomes 7 over 3 times 12 plus 5 over 2 times 12 minus 1 times 12 over this 12 times 12 minus 47 over 4 times 12. 3 here 1, 3 here 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So 4 times 7 is what? 28 plus 5 times 6 is 30. Negative 1 times 12 is negative 12 over 12 times 12 is 144. 144 minus 47 times 3 is 141. 141. So let's finish up. This minus this. Okay, everything here will give us 46 over this minus this will give us 3. Now how many 3 will we see here? 15. 15 no number because 3 times 15 is 45. 46 minus 45 is 1, so remainder 1 over 3. Okay, so that's option B.